Hi, in this video we are going to continue the anatomy of WordPress install. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which is loaded here. So if we scroll down to chapter 1, we are going to talk about how to move a WordPress only the index.php to the root. Okay. So this is very useful when you are doing WordPress development, and after you finish the development, you move the index.php up. To make this thing work, we have to clone the WordPress again. Okay, but this time what we are talking about is to move an installation from a subfolder to the root folder. Technically we are only moving one file, okay, which is the index.php. So how do you do that? Okay, to do that we have to clone the original site again. Okay, but to clone it to a new WordPress site with a subfolder. Okay, of course before we clone we should delete the original installation. So we go back to our Softaculous. So we currently have a installation at lab 3. We are going to totally remove it. Okay, let's go to Softaculous. It's still loading. So we're going to remove this installation and clone it again to a subfolder. Okay. So let's go to Softaculous, all installations. We are going to say I want to remove lab 3. Remove everything including the database. Okay, so it's done. So this thing should be gone here. Yep, there's nothing there, but we realize that as a WP system we should remove that as well. So we go back to our control panel, go to Online File Manager, and go to lab 3 and htdocs. There should be a lot of things in the WP system. I don't really care. You see there's a lot of things. I don't really care, so I'm going to just make sure it's here and say I want to delete. So a lot of things will be deleted from here. So now your htdocs in the lab 3 should be totally empty. So if you go to lab 3, you should see nothing. Now we are going to clone again, but instead of cloning as a root installation in lab 3, we clone it in a subfolder installation called WP. So we go back to our Softaculous, or installation. I want to clone lab 1 to lab 3, but this time instead of root installation, I don't want to do root. I say I want to install in a directory called WP. So it's done. So your web URL should appear in a subfolder called WP, and the main folder would look something like this. Okay, of course you can add a file there, say under construction or something. So this is a typical example when you are building a website under construction. Your main URL should have a under construction page. Put it there, and which obviously we do not have right now. Okay, but if you don't have another construction page, it's pretty ugly. You should put an under construction page, and then you actually do your development in a subfolder, say called WP. And let's say you are done after this. You want to move, you want to make this root folder available to everybody. you need to move the index.php to this place. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. We are trying to move the installation from a subfolder to the main folder. In fact, we only need to move index.php, and we are going to do that in the next video. So this is a very good place to stop. Next video we are going to do the move. Thanks for watching.